Pwede bang paki-identify po, Madam Sponsor, kung sino po yung dalawa sa picture na binulugan? This was an event in Rizal.
Si Governor Inales. They are stakeholders operating in Rizal, and they were invited by the governor of Rizal to do
what?
Discuss a joint project with all the stakeholders.
Joint projects.
Of Rizal. Yes.
Can the good sponsor tell us exactly who these two people are, their names, and then what their who they represent,
They are.
and what are the kind of business that they do, that they own?
They cannot recognize the other one, but the one is a quarry operator.
Quarry operator. Thank you. And the other one is?
They do not know him.
Okay. Well, I'll identify the second one. Estelle Marie Rebancos, an officer of Montalban Aggregates Producers Association.
So quarry operator also.
Exactly. In 2022, DNR ordered the suspension of the quarrying permits of the large-scale companies allegedly encroaching on the Masungi Reserve in Rizal, including the Rapid City Realty and Development Corporation, Kim Song Limestone Incorporated, and Quarry Rock Group Incorporated, owned by Angelita Lee, who happens to be in the picture. Sinuspindi po ng DNR ang quarrying permit ng mga nito, and yet, inibitahan sila diyan sa Project Transform. So out of delicadeza, bakit po sila nandyan? Ba't sila naimbitahan?
As I mentioned, they were invited by the governor of Rizal, stakeholders of in Rizal. Hindi ang nag-imbita sa kanila, yes. DNR.
Yes, di po ba? Dapat bilang secretary ng DNR, tinatanong niya, karapatan niya itanong kung sino-sino ang magdadalo sa isang pagtitipon.
But they cancel. You cancel. Inside.
That's a DNR event, actually. So, ang DNR must have the call kung sinong imbitahan at sinong hindi. Hindi naman event yan ng governor eh. Event po yan ng DNR. So ang DNR dapat ang gumagawa ng guest list. Hindi po si governor. Kahit na halimbawa inibitahan ni governor, pero pwede naman tablahin ni DNR secretary. Sabihin, I don't want that two persons invited because may mga problema sila. Nasuspindi namin yung kanilang mga permits. And then I don't want to be mixed with those two individuals. DNR is set to cancel the contract of Masungi Georeserve Foundation Incorporated over Marikina Watershed. They might have the right to do so legally, but morally, no. Some people will say that. They have the legal right to do it, but it is not in accordance to good practice. Sisibakin nyo yung Masungi and then papasok ng Project Transform na kasama dyan ay itong dalawang mga grupo na sinuspindi ang permit ng DNR. At hindi man lang inibitahan yung mga taga-Masungi sa gathering na yan.
No, Litali is operating outside Masungi.
Kaya nga po.
The other one lang is operating inside Masungi, and their permit was canceled.
Yes, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Meron ho bang invited dyan ang taga-Masungi? Bukod sa hindi invited yung Masungi, wala rin pong representative na indigenous tribe leaders and watershed NGOs.
They said that
they were not as well invited. Ang imbitado lamang yung dalawang personality na binanggit ko na meron pong problema sa DNR, mismo DNR na nag-cancel ng kanilang permit in 2022.
This is a transdisciplinary approach towards natural reserves conservation, and resilience through multi-stakeholder collaboration. So,
Disciplinary.
nag-invite po sila dun sa Masungin, na taga Masungin, hindi nagpunta, pero yung IPs may nagpunta.
No, they were not invited, Madam Sponsor. Now, you did mention about disciplinary so-and-so. So, dinisiplina itong dalawa at inimbita matapos sila disiplinahin.
No.
If they were disciplined, then they should not be there in the first place. Why were they there? Bakit po hindi inimbitahan yung Masungi? No, Masungi wasn't invited. Not even the indigenous tribe leaders, maging po yung mga watershed NGOs. Ang in-invite lang yung mga nasuspindi o sinuspindi ng DNR. Sinuspindi ang mga permit dahil sa quarry.
Ang ito lahat na invite. They have a list of those invited, and one of them is the indigenous people mandatory representative in Tanay, Rizal.
Saan po dyan at anong pangalan po ng mga indigenous people representatives? Saan po? Can you give me the names? Madam Sponsor, Mr. President?
They will give the attendance record to you, the list of the attendance record to you. You will be furnished.
Kasi nga po, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, sana man lang, out of courtesy and respect sa Masungi, they should have been invited.
The land is a protected area owned by the government. It cannot be given to any private entity.
How about a Project Transform? Project Transform would benefit from the knowledge and experience that Masungi already has.
Yeah.
Kung tutuusin.
But they
They should
cannot
have been
own
invited.
the property.
I know po, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Kasi yung experience ng Masungi, pwede pong magamit ng Project Transform. Mapapakinabangan po ng Project Transform itong experience at itong magandang records ng Masungi. Kayo po, Madam, negosyante po kayo, Madam Sponsor.
But it
Would you do
doesn't
that?
solve the legal problem of Masungi.
I'm not talking about, Madam Sponsor, I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know.
You are a businessman. Everything should be legally correct.
Well, some shrewd businessmen may be. Yung mga tusong businessman may be.
Hindi. Kasi
Pero pag hindi
daw,
tusong negosyante,
based on
hindi
the
na-
history of Masungi, they were granted that to build socialized housing during the old times. You have to go back to the history. They did not build socialized housing. They built what do you call this? A resort. And that is not the original intention of the Masungi Geo Reserve. So, in fairness to our government officials, they cannot allow something illegal because they will answer for it in the future.
So ito pong mga member ng Project Transforms, ito po ay mga violators. So aren't they considered as illegal?
Inimbita daw nila, hindi nagpunta.
Hindi po inimbita ang Masungi? No, Masungi was invited. We talked to Masungi. Would you like us to bring Masungi here? Or even make a phone call? Tawagan niyo Masungi. Would somebody call Masungi? Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung sinungaling, DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo, lie detector test,
Where?
polygraph test, para malaman kung sino sinungaling.
Of the Masungi Rock.
Meron ba kayong pinadalang sulat?
The Masungi Rock Management Council was invited and Masungi Geo Reserve is part of it.
Well, show us proof, like letter of invitation. Kasi siyempre, pag in-invite sila, hindi naman verbal lang yan. Yan po'y pinapadalan sila ng sulat. Nasaan po yung sulat na they were officially invited, not just verbally? Can you show us?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right. Invitation natin sa council will kayo can provide in
We will provide you the invitation to the council of which Masungi Gio Reserve is a member.
No, what I'm saying is a letter of invitation which
Yes,
would
they're looking for
indicate
it.
that they were officially invited. Without that letter, parang hearsay lang, na-invite kahit na hindi. At syempre, sabihin ng Masungi, we weren't invited. At sasabihin po ng DNR, yes, you were invited. So paano natin malaman kung sino nagsabing totoo o hindi? Dapat may invitation letter and then we receive.
Mr. Tulfo, Senator Tulfo, they have a copy of the
Can
invitation.
we see
They will
that?
forward it to you.
Okay, that's good enough.
Hindi lang nila dala ngayon, but they will forward it to you.
Now, moving on. Next time naman kasi, kayo dyan sa DNR, pag meron kayong mga project, gawin nyo naman malinis po yung mga project ninyo. Gawin nyo naman pong malinis po yung mga intent ninyo kapag kayo po'y nagsibak ng mga grupo. Ayus nyo naman po. Huwag naman yung parang lokohan para sa akin. I'm sorry for the word. Kasi para sa akin, Masungi should have been invited. Tingnan na natin itong award, mga award na natanggap nila. Isn't this enough? Aren't these enough? These awards? International awards ito. Hindi yung award lang na hausyaw na dito lang gawa-gawa ng kung sino-sinong grupo. These are international awards, well known.